Right. Hello there, people who are watching this. I am recording this on New Year's Eve. This is going to go out, though, on Valentine's Day. So I've decided that what I'm going to do is focus on some of the new words I learned in the last episode, which revolve around romance, Valentine's Day themed, and then what may be the consequence of the romance, having babies. Anyway, I thought I'd do that for a nice Valentine's Day themed video. So, with that in mind, without further ado, let's get the screen record going. Classic. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Did the thing. It's becoming a thing now. I don't know why. I feel silly doing it in my living room by myself, but I just do that. It's not like anyone's seeing me do it. Right, let's crack on and practice romance terms. Let's get that volume going.
我哋分咗手。
我哋分咗手. That's a terrible one to start romance. We broke up. Terrible one to start romance.
我哋分咗手。
我哋分咗手. Oi, stop it. Stop it. Why you always got to do this to me? Right. Well, I've only got 50 seconds left. Oh, you are. I tell you.
我哋分咗手。
This app. I have no love for this app. It's a tough one.
X.
Same in English.
你好靚。
That is, you look great. This is more positive.
你好靚。
This is what I wanted. Right. I don't feel good. Okay. Okay. No. Yep.
我感覺不好。
It's not very romantic, that.
8點見。
8點見. Kiss. There we go. Some romance. Kiss.
吻。
Kiss. As if you were expecting me to know that. No, I don't think that's right.
8點見。
8點見. Yes.
我感覺不好。 你帶俾我快樂。
You make me very happy? Or you make me happy?
你帶俾我快樂。
I don't.
我感覺不好。
We bet online. It's probably that one with lots of characters, I think. Because Bengduk is something about being ill. Koige is her, his, there. Sipgwai is snow cupboard. Still got that cough.
我哋上網識嘅。
Ooh. Yes.
約會。
Yuck boy. I think this is correct. It's a tough one though.
X.
No. I don't think that is. That looks more like waiter.
戀愛中。
Whoa. We broke up?
我哋分咗手。
Yeah, we broke up. X. This isn't very romantic.
X.
It wasn't what I was planning. I was planning that it would focus more on the, you know, the nicer stuff. Oh, here we go. This is what we want.
我愛你，
我愛你. Ah, good. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Pow!
你帶俾我快樂，
Definitely not guesswork at all. I. So that is I. That one? No. That one? No. That one? I think this must be giving this to me.
我感覺很好，
I'm starting to find this quite difficult, you know. A lot of things are starting to sound a lot like other things.
你帶俾我快樂，8點見，
See you at 8.
8點見，吻
Kiss. A lot of stuff.
吻
A lot of stuff is sounding like other things. Starting to struggle. I think it's that one.
我哋嘅歌，
Yeah. That one.
我哋上網識嘅，
Yeah, I know that one because of Wayne's World.
你好靚，
女朋友. Yeah. Time's up. Time's up on the romance. A lot of silence there. Didn't get a perfect session. Boo! Not doing very well today. One new word. 92% accuracy. Not the best. Not the best. Right, let's keep going. Excuse me. And go to having kids. The consequence of romance.
攰
Tired. That is a very having kids word.
攰
Gui.
攰，
Gui.
我指出
The really difficult one's back.
BB
Yes.
快樂，
Yes. Sleeping?
瞓覺，
Okay.
母親節，
母親節.
癲
Ding. Crazy. What's that got to do with having babies? That's a weird one to put in having babies.
癲
Ding.
癲
Ding. That.
母親節，
母親節. Oh, tough one again. They've got
BB
to stop giving me that one. It's too tough. So that's at the end. 10 in a row.
嬰兒食品，
嬰兒食品. 嬰兒食品.
嬰兒食品，
嬰兒食品. I enjoy.
我中意
我中意 Mother's Day
母親節
Crazy
癲我指出
I show
我指出
It's a weird one that, right? I'm just going to pause there. Oh, no, not you. Didn't mean to pause you. I meant to pause you. It's a weird... Excuse me. It's a weird one, that. I show the picture. It's in having babies. So I assume it means I show, but it's showing pictures of chess pieces. How does that make any sense? Anyway, let's crack on. Tired?
攰
Vui.
快樂
Happy?
快樂
Yeah. Tired.
攰
Vui. Parents?
父母
I show.
我指出快樂
Happy. Crazy.
癲
Din.
我指出
No. No way. I know what baby is. It's BB.
BB
Told ya. Yes.
快樂
File. Yes. Tired.
攰
Gui. Gui. Bum, bada, bum, bum, bum. 25 in a row. I'm non-stop.
瞓覺
Fan gal. No, 我中意
我中意攰
tired.
攰
Gui. No. Don't know what that is, but no.
癲
Din. Gui.
攰
Gui.
BB
Baby.
BB
Baby. 母親節
母親節
I am pregnant.
我有咗
我有咗 No, that doesn't look like it. That looks like ears.
瞓覺
瞓覺 That one?
我有咗
我有咗 I show 35 right
我指
answers.
出
Whoa! It's not quite a record. I got 51 time in a row. That was a good day.
快樂
快樂 I enjoy.
我中意
Mother's Day.
母親節
It had bar there. It's not taught me bar. How are you going to put bar as one of the options when I don't know bar? This app is crazy. This app is ding. Perfect session. Lovely stuff. Lovely bit of business that is. Right. That's put me up to 96%. That's okay. Right. We'll call it a day there. That's actually really romantic. Valentine's Day special. Can you see my enthusiasm for Valentine's Day? It really shines through, doesn't it? It's not at all just an industry to make money for the card industry. But, well, less said about that, the better. Anyway, let's be cheery. Thank you for watching. Hope you've had a lovely Valentine's Day. And do the old YouTuber Jazz, the like and the subscribe. And yeah, have a nice time. Have a nice day. Hope you feel great. And yeah, that's about it, really. See ya.